Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I got a package in the mail from BeeBeeCraft, and today we're going to unbox it. So it comes in this bubble mailer, and then we have some more bubble wrap. They package everything really nicely. It comes a long way, and it comes in a very short amount of time. It's been less than 2 weeks since I ordered this, and here it is already. I actually have been gone for a couple of weeks because I had a new grandbaby, and this was waiting for me when I got home. I was really excited about it. But let me get things organized here, and then I will be back and show you in detail everything. And by the way, if you're interested in any of these items, I will leave information down in the description box below on how you can get your own beautiful things to make jewelry with from BeeBeeCraft and a coupon code. All right, these first things I'm going to show you, aren't they pretty? They are some glass crystals, and make sure I get this right and look at my notes. So they're Honey Handy electroplate transparent glass bead strands. And they are half rainbow plated, faceted, rondelle, 4x3. And let's see, how many strands do we have here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There must be 10 strands here. Let's see. There's 1, 2, here. Okay, that's 1 strand, 2 strands, 3 strands, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 strands. Aren't they pretty though? I was thinking they were going to be champagne, which they do have a little bit of champagne flash to them, but they have a little bit of silver in there that I see. These are going to be really pretty for what I have in mind. All right, the next thing we have are these charms. There we go. Aren't those nice? They're very lightweight. Just lay them down here for you to look at. Well, I'll tell you exactly what they are. They are from N Beads. There's 100 in there. There are 304 stainless steel charm. These are going to be great for doll jewelry, human jewelry. Wouldn't this be fun to maybe take 3 of these and add chain to them for earrings? Again, I already know what I'm going to do with these, so stay tuned for a tutorial on that. I'm not going to spill the beans. All right, let's see what's next. The next thing I have here comes in this nice little container all wrapped up. Probably going to have to get some scissors or something. Hang on a second. All right, here we go. I love these containers. I reuse them all the time. I also reuse their bags. They're really good quality bags. But look at these. Oh, these are nice. Oh, I really like these a lot. They have a little bit of weight to them. They're not real heavy. They're very light. But look at that. So these are they're stainless steel moon pendants. Stainless steel, 16 by 12 by 1 millimeter. Okay, these are going to be really nice. Wouldn't that make a really nice simple pendant just to hang that on a piece of chain? Or with those stars I just showed you, they would be fun to hang, kind of like what I was talking about with the stars, but add moons with them. This will be great all year round for any of your celestial jewelry, or for Halloween. So again, I already know what these are going to be for. So stay tuned for that. All right, the next thing we have here is some crackle glass. I think that's these right here. We have Honey Handy crackle glass bead strands. They're in imitation agate, okay? They're 8mm, and there's about 49 to 51 pieces per strand. So these are more of a glass bead. They're not a real agate. They really look nice though. Uh-oh, well, I made a mess. Let's see. There's 5 strands. They're pretty long strands too. Well, actually, they're more than 5 strands. How many strands did I say? I can't remember how many strands there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 10 strands on here. Look at them though, aren't they pretty? I love these crackle glass beads. All right, let me clean my mess up and I'll show you what else I got. All right, now the next thing we have are some hematite beads. And let me just say something about hematite. These are real. Anything that's like a magnet type thing, is not real. That is imitation hematite. These, as you notice, they're not magnets. Real hematite. If they're, like I said, if they're magnet, they're not real. These though are real. We've got, let's see, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 strands. And there's about 420 6mm pieces, natural hematite gemstone beads. And so there's about 420 beads here. These are really nice. And they're going to go really nice with these moons and stars that I got. This next thing is the Eiffel Tower. We have brass. There's a antique silver, a shiny silver, and gold. And the details on this, they're from N Beads, 80 pieces, 4 colors, alloy pendants. They're cadmium free, lead free, and they're about a 22.5 by 8.2 by 8.2. Okay, let's take a closer look. Let's look at, I think the gold ones would probably be easier for you to see. Aren't those cool? Have any of you been to Paris? I have not. I really haven't been very many places. I haven't been to Europe. That'd be kind of fun to go. But there we have the Eiffel Tower. And like I said, we have gold, the shiny silver, the more antique silver, and the antique brass. All right, last but not least, get these out, see if you can figure out what they are. Do you know what that is? It's a croissant. Yum, yum. So, the details on these, they're from Honey Handy. They are enamel, cadmium-free, nickel-free, and lead-free. Light gold croissant. I love croissants. These are going to be fun to make some jewelry with. And I forgot how many are in here. There's a lot. I don't remember. Let's see. Let me click on the link. It says about 100. There's about 100 in here. So that's quite a bit, quite a few croissants. So anyway, this is my haul this time from BeeBeeCraft. And I hope you stay tuned for some jewelry making with all this fun stuff. And you have a wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.